Mr. Charles Neal, you're the Chief Executive Officer for Landmark Properties, a research leader for real estate markets across the MENA region. Can you talk about the current trends you're seeing in the residential sales and leasing markets?
Yes, the prices are still falling for residential properties in some areas. Some of the established areas, prices are holding up well. But what's happening at the moment on the sales side is investors are waiting on the sidelines, thinking prices are going to fall further. But they will in the new areas that are coming up. But in the established areas, they're going to find it difficult to get back in the market because owners are now holding on to their properties, and so it's getting more difficult for the new people coming in to try and choose the properties of their choice.
The established markets you're talking about, which
so we're
areas?
Talking about Palm, Marina, Emirates Living. Prices there seem to be approaching bottom and are stabilising.
So what about the commercial markets? What trends are you noticing there?
Well, the commercial market, what's happened there is there's a lot coming on over the next couple of years, and a lot of the deliveries have started to take place in 2010, and rents are coming down in places like JLT and Business Bay. And a lot of companies will move, we think will start to move next year, take advantage of these lower rates and getting better quality space and be able to consolidate their businesses and so on. So we see next year, I think, will be the start of a big movement in the commercial market.
What steps do you think can be taken to help the market recover?
A number of steps. I think one important one is the change in the visa rules. That for investors, that most people we speak to want looking for the 3-year visa for owning a property. And other changes I think that need to take place will be there needs to be a plan now to start filtering out some of the older properties and reducing the amount of supply, particularly in the commercial sector, that's coming on.
What about the new regulations such as strata law and the Ijari law? What impact do you think these will have?
Well, the strata law I think is going to be a benefit to the people who bought in apartment blocks, particularly the condominiums, and this is going to help them take more control and manage their service charges better and make sure there's more accountability for what they're spending, and also to have an influence on the maintenance of the buildings. With the Ijari law, this again is a law that's been around for a while but is now being enforced, and it requires landlords to register their properties, the ones that they're renting, with RERA. What it means is that either they can do it or they should do it through a registered property management company like ourselves, who will save them a lot of the headache, because if they do it themselves they have to do the RERA course and they have to go to RERA themselves to register their properties. So for relatively little money we can register their properties and also look after them for them and take care of the maintenance for their tenants.